The 2025 Nissan NV200 Camper van in pristine white is the perfect blend of practicality, comfort, and adventure-ready design. At first glance, the sleek and compact exterior stands out, finished in a brilliant white that enhances its modern and versatile look. The design is subtle yet functional, with clean lines and carefully integrated features like roof rails for extra storage and large windows that invite natural light into the cabin. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver through city streets or winding country roads, yet it's thoughtfully designed to maximize every inch of interior space. Step inside, and you're greeted by a surprisingly spacious and efficient layout that feels much larger than its exterior suggests. The pristine white theme continues throughout the interior, creating a bright and airy atmosphere that's both inviting and calming. High-quality materials and clever craftsmanship make this camper van feel like a home on wheels. The seating area features adjustable and swiveling captain's chairs that can be turned to face the living space, perfect for relaxing or socializing. The rear of the van is equipped with a versatile bench seat that easily converts into a comfortable bed, providing a cozy space to unwind after a long day of exploring. The kitchenette is a standout feature, complete with everything you need to prepare meals on the go. It includes a compact sink with running water, a portable induction cooktop, and a mini fridge. The smart design of the kitchenette ensures that all the essentials are within reach, while fold-out counters provide additional workspace when needed. Cabinets and drawers are strategically placed to offer ample storage for cookware, utensils, and supplies, keeping everything organized and accessible. The NV200's compact footprint doesn't compromise on functionality, and every element of the design has been optimized for convenience. One of the key highlights of the 2025 Nissan NV200 Camper van is its advanced technology. The van comes equipped with a modern infotainment system that integrates seamlessly with your smartphone, offering navigation, entertainment, and connectivity at your fingertips. A touchscreen interface in the center console allows you to control various features, from the climate system to the rearview camera, ensuring a smooth and stress-free driving experience. USB ports and power outlets are strategically located throughout the cabin, making it easy to keep your devices charged and ready. The camper van's interior lighting is both functional and customizable. LED lights provide ample brightness for cooking, reading, or relaxing, and they can be dimmed to create a more intimate ambience in the evenings. Large windows with built-in shades offer excellent views during the day while ensuring privacy and comfort at night. For those who love stargazing, the optional panoramic roof transforms the van into a cozy observatory, connecting you to nature in a unique way. Despite its compact size, the NV200 is designed to handle a variety of adventures. The rear cargo area includes a pull-out storage system that's perfect for stowing camping gear, bicycles, or outdoor equipment. Additional underbed storage compartments keep everything organized and out of the way. The van also features an exterior power hookup for campsites, as well as a portable solar panel system for off-grid adventures, giving you the freedom to explore remote locations without worrying about power supply. The driving experience of the 2025 Nissan NV200 Camper van is nothing short of exceptional. Powered by an efficient yet capable engine, the van offers smooth handling and impressive fuel economy, making it ideal for both long road trips and everyday commutes. Its compact size and responsive steering make navigating tight spaces a breeze, while advanced safety features like lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control provide added peace of mind on the road. For those who value sustainability, the NV200 is designed with eco-conscious travelers in mind. Its efficient powertrain minimizes emissions, and the optional solar panels contribute to a greener camping experience. Nissan has also incorporated recycled materials into the van's construction, ensuring that it aligns with modern environmental standards. The 2025 Nissan NV200 Camper van in pristine white is more than just a vehicle, it's a gateway to new adventures. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway, a cross-country road trip, or simply looking for a more flexible way to travel, this camper van delivers the perfect combination of style, functionality, and reliability. Its compact size makes it easy to take anywhere, while its thoughtfully designed interior ensures you have everything you need to feel at home on the road. With its pristine white finish symbolizing simplicity and versatility, the NV200 is ready to accompany you on whatever journey you choose to take. This camper van is not just about getting from one place to another, it's about the freedom to explore, the joy of discovery, and the comfort of knowing you're always prepared for the next adventure.